Hi friends, I am Dr. Dilip Pawar, working in Ahmednagar Homeopathic Medical College as an associate professor in the subject of organon of medicine. I am going to discuss about the subject organon of medicine for the BHM students. But before going to discuss about the organ of medicine, I want to say something about the homeopathy. Then I will go towards the organ of medicine and its explanation. First, what is homeopathy? Homeopathy, it is a science, it is a medical science which deals with the principle of similia similibus curanter. It is the principle around which the homeopathy it revolves along with another theories. The word meaning of homeopathy, it is homeos means similar and pathos means suffering. So it is a combination of these two words which makes a single word, that is homeopathy. The similia similibus curanter, it means let likes be cured by like. This is the concept behind the treatment of patient in the homeopathy. As homeopathy, it is a medical science, it is the prime object of every homeopathic physician to cure his patient completely and maintain the health of that patient. That is the aim of that homeopathic physician. Now, what is the let like be cured by like that we will see? It means that the sufferings which are present in the patient, according to those sufferings, the medicines we are going to use, these medicines they are having the capability to produce very similar artificial disease in that person. The symptoms of that patient, they are considered for the totality of the disease, and according to that totality we are going to use the medicine which is acting very similarly in that patient. That is the concept which is termed as similia similibus curanter. Very similar things they are used in the form of medicine for the treatment of disease which is present in the patient. So that is about the homeopathy. The person who has discovered the homeopathy, his name is Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. He was from Germany and he discovered the homeopathy in 1796. So Dr. Samuel Hahnemann discovered the homeopathy in 1796. In short, the homeopathy, it is a branch of medical science which deals with the principle of similia similibus curanter. The meaning of that, it is let like be cured by likes. The word meaning of homeopathy, it is homeos means similar and pathos means sufferings. Very similar manifestations they are produced by the medicines in the artificial form, and those artificial properties they are produced in the patient. That is the use of similarity for the treatment. And the discovery of homeopathy, it has been occurred in 1796 by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. Now we will discuss about the organon of medicine. Organon of medicine, it is a book which is written by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. In 1805, Dr. Samuel Hahnemann firstly written the book on the organon of medicine. He was the person who has written about the organ of medicine. The book of organ of medicine, it contains the theories and the principles or the concepts of homeopathy. In 1805, he firstly published his book. The name of that book, it is Principles of Homeopathic Medicine of Experience. The first book which is written by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann on the organ of medicine, the name it is. Next, in the 1810, which is called as the first edition of organon. In the 1810, the organon of rational art of healing, that was the name of our book, organon of medicine. It was the first edition. Then onwards, the next editions they were published. The second edition, it was published in 1819. The name of that book, it was converted to Organon of Medicine. The third edition, it was published in 1824. The name, it was Organon of Medicine. Again, the fourth edition, it is in 1829. Fifth edition in 1833. Sixth edition, it was published in 1921. The duration in the fifth and sixth edition for the publication, it is about the 79 years after the death of Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. The 79 years duration, it was in the fifth and sixth editions publication. But this edition, it was written by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann in 1842. So the last edition, it was the sixth edition, which is written by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann in 1842, but published after the death of Hahnemann after 79 years in 1921. So that is the Organon of Medicine and its editions, in which year they have been published. Now we will see about the ground plan of Organon. Ground plan of Organon, it consists the aphorisms. The aphorisms means it was the customs of those days. The writings in the book, they were conducted in the aphoristic style, means the paragraph style. It was the custom of those days, and in this book he has written the aphorisms 1 to 291, and in that the 294, that is the number of aphorism, it has been included, but 292 and 293, these two aphorisms, they were omitted in the last edition, that is the sixth edition. Means till the fifth edition there were the 294 aphorisms. Till the fifth edition there were the 294 editions. In the last edition, that is the sixth edition, 292 and 293 aphorisms, they were omitted. Means in the last edition we are having 291 aphorisms, including the 294th aphorism. Now we will see about the division of this book. The book, it contains theoretical part and practical part. In the theoretical part, from the aphorism number 1 to 70, the discussion it is there, and in the practical part of this book, it is from aphorism number 71 to 291 and inclusion of 294th aphorism. So as it is written in the aphoristic styles, all these aphorisms from aphorism number 1 to last aphorism, all these aphorisms, they are interlinked with one another. The sequence of all these aphorisms, it is maintained for the concepts clearing to the homeopathic physician with their meaning. And this book, it contains the principles and concepts of homeopathy. So in short, we have seen about the homeopathy, its discovery, the founder of homeopathy. We have seen about the Organon of Medicine, the writer of Organon of Medicine, the editions of Organon, and the contents of Organon we have seen. And the next we will discuss about the aphorisms. All these aphorisms we will see from the next session. Thanks.